Alright, so we've got this rear main seal that we're going to pop this seal out on it. Sorry about that. Get my hammer together. Now, you want to support this thing all the way around. You want to make sure that you have something under it, because if you don't, you're going to have problems. You just want to drive it out a little bit here, a little bit there. It comes out pretty easy. Yeah, just push it out. Alright, so once you get it out, okay, you'll need to clean that up in there, okay, because you want it to be nice and clean. Going through all this trouble, might as well have it clean. Let's clean this up. Alright, so I've got a new gasket for this. There's not any lubricant required to set this in there, okay, no lube required. This is just a rubbery gasket. You just kind of want to tap it in there. Now this gasket will drive flush like this very easy, but then you're going to need to recess it a little bit. I've got things laying around like this that I can use to work on this. This is something that I got from a wrecking yard a long time ago, just something laying around out in the junkyard. So you find something like this, grab it. It's always good for putting things together. So here we go. Didn't take much. Get this side drove in a little better. You can tell by the way it sounds when you're driving it in. You can tell by the sound. Let's see, you look on the other side and you'll see that there's places where it could use a little more. No big deal, okay? And once you get done messing with all this, you can get a towel or whatever and clean it up. You just want to go all the way around and make sure it's the same all the way around. If you got any debris or anything that gets on it, you can clean it off. Now, if you want to use a punch or something like this, you can work this punch all the way around like this and drive it in. That's all there is to it. It's simple.